Guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making 2 pancakes for my kids. And here I have half a stick of butter, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of flour, half teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of cardamom, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 egg, and quarter cup of blueberry. That's all the ingredients I'll be using today. In here I have 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix everything all together. Add in the milk, 1 cup of milk. Half a teaspoon of cardamom, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix everything together. Little at a time. One teaspoon of baking powder. Smells good too. Kids are home from school. I'm making pancake for them. Add in the butter, half a stick of butter. I melted it. I'll add quarter cup of blueberry. Pancake special for the kids. Hope they like it or eat it. They only like cereal, so I hope they like my pancake. Add in quarter cup of sugar, not too sweet. Pancake batter looks so nice, so smooth. Hope they like it. Adding butter to the pan. The butter make it don't stick together. looking nice. Nice color. You can see the blueberry in there. Look at all the blueberries. Looks so nice. Looking nice. Looking so nice. Look at the inside. They're so good too. Oh, I love the color in this one. Anyways, guys, I got 4 pancakes with 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of milk. 4 pancakes. I'm already eating mine here. It's for Amy. Yeah. And more butter is in here. More butter to make 1 more pancake. So 1 cup of flour, I gave 4 pancakes. That's good. Just 1 cup of flour. That's the last pancake.